Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today, a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with cryptocurrency. Quite simply. You'll see it's not that complicated and you'll pick it up pretty quickly. So if you're a beginner, make sure to watch this video all the way through to really understand everything. I'll show you how to create an account and how to buy cryptocurrency. I'll also give you some tips on how to secure everything a bit. But mainly, this video is about making your first purchase. So if you're a beginner and you've never bought any before, it's totally possible. Just watch this video carefully. So to start, guys, you'll need to create an account to buy crypto. There are several sites for that, but what I recommend is to go to the one I use the most, which is KuCoin. I'll show you, it's very simple. You can go to my YouTube channel or check the description, but the best is to go directly to my channel. You'll see here, there will be a little link. You can click right here, just click on it and there you go. You'll find several links. I might add more for creating accounts on crypto platforms with bonuses. Because yes, when you create a crypto account, often if you use referral links, you get bonuses. For example, on KuCoin, you get 11,000 USDT, so $11,000 in bonuses if you complete the tasks. So you get bonuses. When you create crypto accounts, don't forget to use referral links. I'll add more. So here there's KuCoin and MEX, two good platforms I use. If you want to create two accounts, go for it, because in crypto, it's also good to have accounts on different platforms since each one has different cryptos and some platforms have coins that others don't. So it's always useful to have several platforms. Anyway, in this video, we'll start with the best one in my opinion, KuCoin. So you click here and you can create an account right here pretty easily. Plus, you'll get the bonus I mentioned in the link and you can do it with an email address or a phone number, just like that. You create the account, they'll send you a message, either an SMS or an email with a code. You enter the code to verify your email, it's the usual process, and you click create account. Then we'll meet directly on KuCoin in just a moment. So, first step when you get here, it's very important to go straight here to do the identity verification. As you can see, I've already done it. It's right here, you go here and do the identity verification. It takes 5 minutes and I really recommend doing it because it's to confirm that you're of legal age basically. So on KuCoin, it's very easy. There are some platforms where it's really simple and others where it's much more complicated and they ask for a lot of documents, etc. That's why I really recommend KuCoin. It's the best platform. MEX is also pretty good, as you saw in the link right here. So both are very good and I'll add more when I have links for you to other good platforms. But there you go, these are the best ones. So once you've successfully verified your identity, guys, you'll be able to make your first deposit into your account to then buy cryptocurrency or trade with it. You can do whatever you want. But our goal today is to buy crypto, the basics, let's say. So you simply go to add funds and you can directly buy crypto with your bank card. That way you'll buy the crypto directly, or you can deposit money and then convert it into crypto afterwards. So if you really want to do it the easiest way, just go here to buy crypto. I'll just show you, it's really easy. And also, if you want me to make a tutorial on the phone, just let me know on the app. But really, it's the same thing. So here, if you want to pay in USD or in euros, it depends on your country. You can enter the amount you want to deposit in exchange for the crypto you want. For example, Bitcoin, the classic, you can do it directly like this. Also, if you want a little tip, if you want to directly see the price of cryptocurrencies, go to CoinMarketCap. That's where you have all the cryptos with their real-time prices. So let's take the example of Bitcoin today, guys, to keep things simple. Here you enter USDT or USD BTC or euros if you're in Europe, just like this, and you can pay with a bank card with whatever you want. Visa, Revolut, you have it all. There are lots of payment methods. Actually, the simplest is the bank card, but everyone has their own way to pay. You can even use Google Pay. So you just do this, buy BTC and you'll have the BTC directly in your account. And they'll show up right here in your assets. I'll show you that in just a moment. So once you've bought your BTC, guys, it's really easy, or any other crypto, of course, you'll have them in your wallet right here. So here, for example, there are only $4 on this account. There's basically nothing. But as you can see, you have the amount right here in your wallet along with your transactions and your funding and trading wallets. So when you want to trade your crypto, you'll need to send them to the trading wallet. When you want to do leverage trading, that'll be on the futures wallet. But I'll make more tutorials about that for you. That's leverage trading. For those who aren't familiar yet, for now, just stick to standard crypto. So, funding and trading. Funding honestly is pretty useless. It's just for storing your crypto. You can also keep them in the trading wallet. It's the same thing. And if you want to move them from funding to trading, you just make a transfer, what we call a transfer. So either you do it here, you can do it here, I don't remember exactly where it is, but somewhere around here, or you go directly to an exchange, for example, a BTC USDT trading pair, and you can send your BTC there to convert them into USDT. Because yes, in crypto, you often convert your cryptos into USDT. It's basically like a dollar, but in crypto form, it's a stable coin, a cryptocurrency that's always worth $1 and that never changes. So for example, if Bitcoin rises to a price you're happy with, you can sell it for USDT without having to sell it directly for euros. Because you see, you should avoid doing otherwise. It's always better to convert your cryptos into USDT. And when you really want to withdraw your money to your bank account, yes, you can then convert it back into euros. But what I recommend is to always keep some crypto in USDT. It's basically like a crypto bank account in the end. So it basically keeps your dollars safe. So you go here, BTC USDT for example, and you'll just need to sell. You can choose either market or limit order if you want to sell at an exact price. But you can just as easily use a market order. With Bitcoin, there's no problem. And you do it like this, 100% and sell BTC. And that will give you USDT. And USDT then will be your currency that doesn't fluctuate anymore. That will be your way to cash out your profits. So there you go, this little tutorial is finished. If you have any questions, of course, don't hesitate to ask me. You can also send your crypto to other exchanges. Once you have crypto, you can send it wherever you want. That's what's great. You can also send it to Ledger or Trezor wallets for more security. I'll make tutorials about all that as well, of course, but you can also just leave your crypto on KuCoin. It's still very secure. But you can always do better, let's say, thanks to Ledger or Trezor wallets. But anyway, I'll make a tutorial about that for you. But don't worry, your crypto can easily stay on KuCoin. There's absolutely no problem. So in any case, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe and like. I'll be making quite a few tutorials on this channel. So there you go guys. With that, have a great day everyone. And with that, see you next time.